Hey everyone, how are you all doing? Before we begin the video, I need to tell you that we have already crossed 99,000 subscribers on this channel. Go ahead guys, let's make a family of 100,000 subscribers. First of all, I would like to thank each and every member and subscribers of this channel who has supported and helped this channel grow this big. Spoiler alert, this video is going to be epic as I'll be sharing my journey with you guys from I was having 0 subscribers till 99,000 subscribers. I'll not be sharing every video, but the video I'll be sharing are special. These may not have the best views or sound the best or look the best, but these videos change the shape of my channel. Initially when I started, I was having zero knowledge what is video editing and all, and I wanted my videos on YouTube so everyone else can see. That was my motto, and that's how I started my YouTube journey. By the way, are you enjoying this Lamborghini Aventador and BMW M3 chase? I'm having some more clips of this video. Tell me in the comments below if you want to see them. I'll add up in the next upcoming video. So now let's start from my first video what I ever uploaded on this channel, which starts like this. And I know that was very loud. That was recorded from a Samsung Galaxy S3. This video was not edited at all. Direct from the phone, I used to pause the video which shows the cuts, and that's how I completed the video, and directly from the phone I uploaded on YouTube. This was the time when I used to feel that video editing is the most difficult thing on this world. So this was the first video on my channel, and this wasn't the video which made me feel like let's upload more videos. And then came the Park Supercar Show 2015, and this car in the video you're looking at is a Lamborghini Gallardo, and this car has a power of 1650 horsepower. It's India's most powerful car, and I've heard this car on full RPM and it sounds like nothing else I've ever heard. I uploaded this video on YouTube and I forgot YouTube for 2 big years, and then when I just randomly opened the video, I saw the video has crossed 12,000 views, and then I just randomly thought let's make some more videos and have some fun. Just fun, no professional editing, nothing, no videography, just fun. And then this video came, which you can say that it was my first attempt of vlogging. And yeah, I vlogged from a GoPro, and it was when I went to the autocar show, and suddenly John Abraham appears in the show. And yeah, how I can forget this one, my first ever supercar ride experience in an Audi R8 V10 Plus. From this video, I started merging videos with music, and at that time you guys really liked it, and I saw your comments at that time. You guys told that make more videos like this. My first time ever holding a Lamborghini key. That was heavy, and the feel was out of the world. The video is going really long. I need to wrap up quickly. I'll just go ahead. For the guys who have never sat in a supercar before, it's just like a body sucking into the seat, and in just couple of seconds you cross 100 km/h. That was my first time ever supercar experience. And this was McLaren night. Mr. Singhania brought the McLaren 720S in Mumbai in the night, and it was a planned drive, and I really wanted to share this video very soon to you. So I reached home around at 3 AM and I didn't sleep. I started editing the video and I uploaded the video in the morning because I wanted to share this video with you as soon as possible. And that's what I did. Look at the acceleration of the car. That car is amazing. And yeah, this video was like a regular supercar spotting video, but the title and the thumbnail I kept was Supercar versus Speed Breaker, which you can see in the video. The supercar struggles how to go from a speed breaker, and that's the thing, the video blown, and the video currently is the most viewed video on my channel with 7.2 million views. This was a 10,000 subscriber special video, and when I made this car, the subscriber rate was so quick and so fast. I already crossed 17,000 subscribers. This car was owned by my brother Arbaz, and I had a ride in this car, and man, this was a supercharged beast. Just have a look at the sound. And all thanks to Arbaz. He is owning the car. Thank you, bye.
Thanks.
And yeah, the Ambi Valley drag strip. This was actually the first time when I went to the Ambi Valley drag race. was not ready for that bang. Guys, अभी एक मस्टैंग आएगा मुंबई का अपना फेवरेट मस्टैंग 720 bhp सुपरचार्ज वाला है. डेल्ला के इवेंट में था ना, हाँ वही वाला मस्टैंग. सो अभी आ रहा है लाइन में. निकला. Overall, that was an amazing experience of the Ambi Valley drag race. And do you know with which car this Lamborghini is racing? What? And everyone deserve to watch this video. People are going ahead, technology is going ahead, India is going ahead, and just look at these bad roads. The name of this video is Indian Worst Roads versus these supercars. This video has already crossed 1 million views. And this time when we were having 75th anniversary of Ferrari, and Mr. Ranjit from Bangalore brought his Ferrari 488XX and we all enjoyed the drive.
Birds chirping and I hear my name, grasping into life.
And then many videos goes by. I made video with Mustangs, BMW M5, and then comes the best part, the Park Supercar show. Oh my god! And the latest video which I made with the Skoda Octavia VRS. What makes these videos interesting to watch? What motivates me to make more videos like these? It's you guys. It's your support and your help which motivates me to make more and more videos like this. From now on, you will be seeing professional content on this channel which will include car reviews and whatever supercar fun we used to have. It will be there with even more grunt. So that's all about this video, guys. I haven't included every videos in this list. If you want to see more videos, I would suggest you to go to my channel, click on videos button, and you will be greeted with every video I ever uploaded. So that was my journey from 0 subscribers to 99,000 subscribers. Guys, please like the video and please subscribe to the channel as we are 99,000 subscribers now. Let's make a 100,000 subscriber family. And once again, I would like to thank each and every subscriber and follower who have followed me since so long. Because of your all support, I have been able to achieve this thing. Thank you so much, guys. Thanks a lot. So guys, if you like this video, please do hit like, feel free to comment, please share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to Petrolhead's Paradise. Always wear helmet, always wear seatbelt, take care, make some noise, vroom, bye bye, take care, and Jai Hind, woo!